Okay, I think I have clearly lost the plot here. Hi, welcome back. This is gonna be a huge haul video. I've not done these in a really long time, but I'm so excited to be doing it right now. So basically, my mom was visiting me, and then we did so much decluttering. I think I took out like 100 to 120 pieces of clothing from my wardrobe. I've given it to my cousins, I've given it to my maid, I've donated it to an NGO, and some I've just sent back to Jaipur because they're cute, but I don't want to keep them here. But like basically, I've done a lot of decluttering, and I'm also in like a phase of reworking on my style. I would like to say that I finally figured out what I feel most confident in. So my style is simple but not boring. So that's how I would like to explain it. But yeah, anyways, so I have created a lot of Pinterest boards and I was restocking on my basics. So everything that you see here, some of the things I bought it, most of the things actually I bought, and then some of the things are gifted from brands. So I'm really excited to show you all everything. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna start with Mango. I only got one tank top from them. So it's this electric blue top. It has this like net seam right here. And overall I feel like I could throw it on with the most basic pair of bottoms and my outfit would still be simple but not boring. Next, I ordered a couple of tops from Bershka. But I don't order from Bershka's website because that takes like almost a month to get delivered, and that is ridiculous. But Bershka is also on Myntra and that gets delivered in like 4 to 7 days, which is amazing. So first we have this pink boat neck top and it has like a bit of long sleeves, and I just like how simple and pretty it was. Then I have this top, which is a butter yellow top, which is one shoulder. I think this is a size extra small, which is, I don't know, I feel like this is gonna be a bit big for me, and it cinches around your waist, but then I don't know. Okay, then I got another pink top. I wanted a top like this for a really long time because I love v-neck on my sort of body. I feel like it looks really flattering on my body type, and again it cinches on your waist. I think these kind of tops are super trendy and I love how they are basic but then they add like a little something to your outfit. And then lastly, to break the solid kind of a pattern, I've gotten a striped tee, and this one is full sleeve. I feel like it's gonna be rainy season and I in general get cold very quickly, so I love sort of wearing full sleeve tops. It's like gray and butter yellow stripes. You can make it off shoulder, one shoulder, depends on how you want to wear it. This is so random. So I was in Bandra and I randomly entered this shop which my friend took me to, and I found this knit poncho in pink color and it is so pretty. It's actually from Hollister, and this shop basically sells a lot of surplus stuff, and I saw it. I was like, I need it because I've been wearing ponchos as ponchos, but I'm also into wearing ponchos as skirts, which is kind of genius. I'm gonna take full credit because I thought of it myself. Now I don't know if someone has done it or not, but whatever. And it also has like these sequency things, but you can't see them, and I like the fact that you cannot see them, like it's not too in your face. So far we have 3 pink tops. Clearly I'm obsessed with pink. We know that by now. I don't know if y'all know this, but my friend Ria has her clothing brand. It's called Gmon and I love her brand so much. I keep shopping from that brand. First is this really fun blue tee and it says dilly dallying your way through. Like this is such a fun tee to have and I just love this color. I've worn it once and it looked so pretty and so fun. Then I got another fun t-shirt and this one just says silly. Yeah, it's just so silly that I love it. Again, it's so basic, so fun. You can throw it on over like a denim or like a pair of shorts and just make it really effortlessly cool, I feel. And then lastly, I got this grey top and it has these like pink stripes on the sleeve. It's like a one shoulder, and at the back it has a tie-up kind of a detailing. I just love when there's a little something that's added to like a basic tee. It could be the shoulder, it could be the back, it could be the print or the, you know, like these little stripes. They just like make these tops so fun. There's this brand called Butterboard and they sent me like a PR, and it has 2 really fun basic tank tops. One is this, it's like a ribbed material and it's a faded blue and it's just a basic tank top, and this is how the back looks like. And then it's the same top but in a different color. We know, you guys, if I like something, I want it in different colors. I feel like the quality is really good. It is stretchable. I've worn this brand before as well and I really like some of their things. It's just like a hit or miss, I feel, not gonna lie. But these tops are really fun. I know I was doing a lot of clothing, but this is random. I got these new flats. I've worn them like a couple times. They're already a little dirty. They are just so easy to wear, and I like this beige thing here and like this kind of pattern. It was suiting my feet a lot. These just go with everything, right? I'm just gonna keep them. I'm kind of not liking the fact that I'm holding them like this. Guys, I went crazy in Uniqlo. I went there with my mom. We were doing her shopping and then suddenly I see all these really fun things. So I think I literally shopped for like thousands and thousands when I went there with my mother. She went crazy, I went crazy. I love Uniqlo. First is this top which I'm actually wearing. I'm not able to find this top online, but I'm pretty sure it must be in their offline Uniqlo store. And I feel like it's such a fun knit summer kind of a top. What I love the most is like this neckline and this narrow strap. I think again it looks so flattering, so feminine. Next I got cardigans because again it's gonna be rainy season and I love wearing cardigans. I think they look really pretty on me and on anyone. Honestly, cardigans are such a staple for your wardrobe. So I got one in grey, then I got one in like a basic black. I already had a black cardigan but I wore it so much it got really down bad. It was beaten up, so I had to get like a new one. And then lastly I got one in pink as well because of course this is such a pretty pink. I love pink. Okay, then I got this red top which also has like a knit material. I think I've been into like this crochet knit kind of vibe lately, and this one I loved in particular because of this collar, and even the sleeves are a little different. I feel like this is not something I would reach out for normally, but then I showed it to my mom and she was like, this is something different, you should try and play around with your style a little. Oh my god, you guys, this jacket doesn't look that flattering right now because I need to iron it, but this is the coolest jacket that I found at Uniqlo. I saw it and I was immediately obsessed. I have had like 2 jackets which come till here and they just make me look so effortlessly fun and cool. You can throw this on literally any outfit. I can throw this on this outfit and it would look so cool. It was also on sale, so that was kind of like a steal. I got it for 50% off almost. I'm proud of myself. I love Uniqlo tops so much, specifically like this style of tops. I don't know what they're called, but they are for 990 rupees. That's how I identify them. But I like to get a medium in these because the small sticks to your body and I don't like that all the time. I like when some tops are just existing and not really sticking to my body, especially because I live in Mumbai. It's humid, it's hot. I told you all I'm into this whole crochet knit vibe. I got this black cardigan as well. Not even gonna lie, I just saw Hailey Bieber wear something like this, so you can tell that I'm very easily influenced, but then it looked really good on me as well. And again, I'm trying to include pieces in my wardrobe which are not very basic, but they can be worn with different looks and outfits. So I think that is it from Uniqlo, and that is in general all the clothing that I purchased. I'm realizing now that I've gotten so many tops, but I did not get like bottoms. I feel like I need to get more bottoms, like fun skirts and shorts. I like just play around with my bottoms a little more. So if you have any suggestions, please send me links and I'll order them. Now some fun accessories. We'll start with Charles & Keith. I'm actually attending their event tomorrow and they were sweet enough to like send me a gift, and we have firstly a pair of footwear. I used to wear these one Charles & Keith flats and I've worn them for like 4-5 years straight. Like I only discarded them now, and I got something similar but like upgraded. So these are the flats, and tell me they aren't the coolest. Like I love this gold studded detailing here, and I just love how neutral it is, so it will go with any and every outfit, and I love that. And then we also have a summer bag. It is so different from my style. I mean, not so different, but it's just something that I've never owned before, like this kind of pattern. It does not exist in my wardrobe, but then I looked at it and it was just giving summer, and which is why I picked this one. I love the brown here. I just love the Charles & Keith brown. They have a very specific brown and I really like that. The next bag we have is from Kate Spade. Again, this is also gifted. Full disclosure, I worked with them and they gifted me the bag. So this one is called a duo bag and you can actually style it in 4 different ways, which is insane. And I actually realized I don't have any brown bags, so this is just a really good addition to my bag collection. You can wear it crossbody, you can wear it like this, you can remove this bigger bag and clutch it and hold it like that, and then you can just wear this small little pouch right here and just attach like a strap. There are multiple ways of basically wearing this bag. I love how pretty and brown and neutral and fun and versatile this one is. And then last but not the least, my absolute favorite. I can't believe, guys, I actually worked with Coach and they literally sent me their Tabby bag. I am obsessed with Coach. I have so many Coach bags which I got from my own money because I just love Coach as a brand. And then now I worked with them and they sent me their bag, which is kind of like a full circle moment for me. And this is actually my first Tabby. It's a basic black Tabby and I absolutely love it. So spacious. It comes with this crossbody strap, but I'm just gonna wear it like this because it's so chic and so fun. I'm obsessed. I also don't have a black bag, so which is why I went for something like this, because I want a color which I can wear multiple times and not just something which I'll wear once or like with very specific outfits. And I think this bag, I'm gonna overuse the heck out of this bag. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. I would try to link as many of these things as I possibly can. I'm so excited to style these pieces, wear them multiple times. I would just say if you're shopping, it's good to have like statement pieces, but first build your basic wardrobe. That's what like I'm starting at again. Tell me if you all want to see more of like fashion haul videos. Tell me if you want to see a video where I style these pieces or like create different looks. I know it's so like 2015. That time a lot of creators used to do like these style book or like lookbook kind of videos, but I think I'm feeling that and I want to create such videos again. So tell me if you all want to see that. And that's it. I've yapped so much. I'm so thirsty. I'm parched. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.